Hola! This is Pappy's Technological Kitchen. I just got this battery-operated soldering iron, and I think it's pretty groovy. Friggin', we'll see. But I'm doing a test with some speaker wire, because that was the whole idea of the thing. I'm turning it on now. Alright, so she's blinking, and she's getting hot. Alright, so, yeah, we got our speaker wire. And I'm going to split this. I might need my knife. I don't know if I can do this with my fingers. Let's see if I can do this with my fingers. Yeah, baby. Alright. So we sort of got it started. My fingers are a little greasy because I had a lobster sandwich. And, yeah. Alright, so I got it to peel a little bit. Oh, there we go. Greasy fingers, man. Alright. Is that showing cable? No. Alright. This should split easier than this. Am I not doing it right? There we go. But my fingers are slipping. Alright, it's definitely getting hot. I can see it starting to smoke. Alright. So, I got my vice grip friggin' wire strippers. Let's see, let's put it right there. That worked groovy. Did that take wire? Do I need to use a different one? I don't think so. Alright. Alright, let's twist these up. Twist these up. I feel like a cat in a fresh litter box, man, trying this out. Alright. So, let's see. It's missing it. Why is it missing it? Gotta adjust it a little bit. There we go. Alright, so let's see. It's not grabbing it, man. Did it break? Or did it solder down inside of there, man? Well, this ain't working. That ain't working. That ain't the way you do it. That ain't your money for nothing and your chicks for free. Alright. What's going on there, man? Yeah, that ain't working. Is it not heating up? It acts like it's not heating up anymore. Because that ain't melting. And it's just shoving into it. That's hot. Does it need to be moved forward more? Alright, we moved it a little ahead more. Alright. That's not feeding, man. It's not feeding. It's not feeding. It's not feeding. It's not feeding. So, what's going on here? Oh, it's got a kink. Is that the problem? It's got a kink. It seems to be smoking now. Alright, we got that one. I'm dripping solder everywhere. There we go. Alright. We had a kink in it and it's working alright now. A little bit of solder. Alright. So yeah, that worked. It took a little bit. Got a little kink there and it didn't want to work. And let's yeah, we got some tin here left over, but yeah, I'm not really a huge fan of it. I'd rather, I don't know, maybe use it and use that instead of using the injector or whatever. But we got the proper amount of solder on there. Friggin' yeah. And I'm gonna use these on my speakers. And yeah. Alright, that's been Pappy's Technological Kitchen. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Remember dial up? Alright. Peace.